I'm Haley Marie Keith from Oklahoma State University, and my company is MITO Material Solutions.
And I'm Kevin Keith from Oklahoma State University, and I'm with MITO Material Solutions.
At MITO, we manufacture a chemical additive that goes into epoxies and resins to make composite materials 100% tougher or 35% lighter.
If we can lightweight something, then we can have less materials in that part, which means putting as much in the landfill from all the trim-offs and stuff going on. And then if we toughen something, then that part life is increased, which means it doesn't have to be replaced as often, and you don't have to put, again, something else in the landfill. Also with greenhouse gases, if we lighten something, then it won't be using as much gas.
Composite materials are layered materials, and so that's how we would decrease the weight, because we could make it as tough with less material, less layers of the material.
MITO Materials!
VentureWell allowed us kind of bridging the gap between the science and the business side to allow us to inform the science side a lot more and be comfortable doing that as business people. So I have no technology or engineering background, but I did need to lead the product market fit and the innovation of the business model. VentureWell gave us the confidence to continue doing that and being reiterative in the technology process as it was moving on into a business. So that's been super helpful.
And for the future, we're gonna be at larger scale production, getting into customer samples and testing with them. And then we'll be going into other markets besides boat and RVs, which are our beachhead markets. We're really hopeful for the future. We're really excited because it seems like a lot of people are pumped about this. It's scary, but it's really exciting.